Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. In today's video I want to share with you one of the best IQ option strategy that will help you to take your trade to the next level. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video and share with others in order to reach more people, and this will motivate me to do more videos like this one. And let me get started. Here at the candle time period, I want to use 1 minute. It worked perfectly at 1 minute. Indicator, I want to use popular indicator. One of these, I want to use aware some oscillator. At slow period, I want to use 2. At the fast period, I want to use 200. And I want to apply, okay. Another indicator, I want to use popular indicator, that is moving average. Period, I want to use 100. And type, I want to use exponential moving average, that in other words we call it EMA. Color, I want to use white. And the thickness, I want to increase thickness in order to increase clarity. Here time period, I want to use 1 minute. First of all, you are supposed to identify trend, okay. Once the price is above this moving average, exponential moving average, this is uptrend. And make sure aware some oscillator is printing the bar below this middle line, okay. Make sure aware some oscillator is printing the bar below this middle line. This is vital for this strategy to work perfectly, okay. Let me get started, and once I take a trade, I will elaborate why I take this trade, okay. Here I wanna go into sell. Why I take this trade is because price cross below the exponential moving average and is heading down. So this is the change of trend, okay. And aware some oscillator is printing above this middle line and is printing green bar. This is very crucial. Make sure it's printing green bar for downtrend like this one. And is the second one, you see this second one is bigger than previous one, is in ascending order. Make sure these bar are in ascending order like this one here. You can see this one is smaller and this is bigger than this previous one, and this is bigger than previous one. This will produce a good result once it comes to trading. And here we expect a good result because we see price is below this moving average and the bar is printing above, okay. You can see the result. We are going to see another moment here. You're just going to see another moment that we can just take here. Let's increase some currency pair for more opportunity, okay. Hey guys, this is another opportunity I wanna going to sell. It's because the price is below exponential moving average, and aware some oscillator bar is printing above middle line, okay, and is printing in ascending order. Make sure the bar is going in ascending order. So this is a clear sign we are downtrend, and make sure price is the aware some oscillator is printing above the middle line and is printing green bar. Here guys, I want to buy this trade is because price have already been in above exponential moving average. This is a first sign. Second sign, price is printing below the aware some oscillator middle line, and we see the first candle that is red bar, not a candle, a red bar is printed below, and we see there is an ascending order of this bar. Make sure the bar are in ascending order for you to get a clear opportunity of your trading. But once you see the bar is equally in length, there is no a clear opportunity because the price is at consolidation, okay, like this one. This bar are clearly equal, so there is no clear opportunity here. So make sure there is difference in length are printed in ascending order. For that one, you can just get an clear opportunity, and this opportunity, for each time you get sell like this one, you can get one trade. So make sure don't do over trading because you lose money at long term. So before you just take this strategy in live account, make sure you practice this strategy. And let me see another opportunity I want to share with you in this video. This is another trade I'm going to buy. Why I buy here is because the price is above the exponential moving average. Okay, that is the sign of uptrend. But we see the red bar of our some oscillator is printing, and we see this must be going down. We have sure the next bar must be smaller. Okay, this is crucial for us to take this trade, and this is profitable trade also. Okay, I just take this trade, but it was different with other trades because I say most of the time, make sure if you want to buy, make sure the price is above exponential moving average or is immediately crossing, and have sure the RSM oscillator is printing below middle line and is printing a red bar, and make sure that red bar are presented in ascending order. So but I take this trade because this is the first bar candle. For most cases, if you trade this, you will lose, but make sure you follow everything I teach you in this video. Like this one here, I can buy. Why I buy this trade is because price is above moving average, exponential moving average, and where some oscillator is printed below the middle line and is going down in ascending order. This is a clear opportunity for you. You are supposed to take your trade, and most of the time you will be profitable once you get in the market once the bar started to print in ascending order. If you delay after several bars, the price must going to go in other direction. But for this case, we hope we're going to get a profit, but it was a little bit trade. But for this case, you're supposed to capture opportunity once the bar is starting printing in ascending order. And let's see, this is a profitable trade. You see, we get a result, and have sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and turn notification bell on. Once I come up with another video, you will be notified, and the platform link of